Hello everyone, Aurum Foundation family and friends. Hello from Dubai, from our office. This is your marketing director, Ahmed Zain. Welcome today to our CEO monthly call. It is one of the most important call. Everyone waits, including me personally, to hear the latest update on what is going on, what's happening in the back end of the team. If you can see me and hear me clearly, please type from which country you are listening to us. Chat is open right now. Yeah, amazing. Okay. Thank you for your patience and thanks for waiting. Guys, with such a big call, some people face some issues joining, coming in, coming out. That's why we always give this buffering of 5, 7 to 10 minutes so people can join. Okay. But anyway, thanks for those who join on time. Okay. Take it easy, guys. Take a deep breath, okay? We'll enjoy today. Okay, hello from Netherlands, Dubai, Greece, USA, Germany, Norway, Nigeria, Singapore, Germany, Nigeria, Brunei, nice. Spain, Canada, Poland, Italy, Germany, Nigeria, UK, Croatia, South Africa, Nigeria, Cyprus. Oh my God. Okay. More Switzerland, United States, Austria, Dublin, Ireland, Mongolia, a lot of Mongolia today. Okay. Germany, Argentina, UEA, Slovakia. Oh my God, oh my God, I can't. This is too much. We are almost 500 people. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. Let me start. Good. Love you too. Okay, let me start by saying congratulations to everyone who already made it to our amazing leadership Phuket event, which is happening in 16th of October until the 19th. But if you are qualified for even higher category or higher tier, you will stay either 2 more days or 4 more days. So anyway, congratulations to everyone who made it already. Good job. Okay. Do you want to know the number already qualified? Almost people. Okay. Someone can try to guess. Some people can try to guess how many people will be there in Thailand approximately. Ah, okay. 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 Wow. Okay, guys, everyone says 300 to 350. You are right. Actually, if everyone really made it there, okay, hopefully everyone made it, we will be almost 380 people. So this is something, okay, we are really proud of to have the maximum number of people from the company, leaders, member, team. So everyone who really is supposed to be there to witness a new milestone, something new to witness. A lot of product launching will be there, new strategy plan, VIP meetings, and more planning according to everyone marketplace or wherever they want to expand and do. Okay. So yes, congratulations to all those who made it to that level. You did a great job. I'm very proud of you, and I can't wait to see you, okay, personally there, having fun, but most important, celebrating our success during the few months ago since the Antalya event, which was also awesome and amazing, okay? But this one is gonna be something really totally different, okay? I don't want to take much time of yours because we have a lot of things to announce today. Some update about the back end. Most important, we're going to talk about token 2049 Singapore, AURUM role in it. And we also have something very, very quite cool for people if they want to be part of whatever the company is doing right now. Without any further delay, okay, I want to give the mic immediately to our superstar, to our number one, to our visionary, the guy who's running the whole ecosystem, to our CEO, Mr. Brian Benson. The mic is yours all the way.
Thank you, my friend. Appreciate the intro, and it's very nice to be here. I gotta
Okay.
say, this.
Before you start, I miss you
I, mean,
so much.
I miss you
Okay.
too, brother.
Okay.
I'm not good at
So,
the hearts like you, but that's
yeah,
the best I
okay.
got. So,
We're gonna have,
um,
I will have, let's have fun in Singapore. Okay.
yeah, for sure, for sure. We got a lot happening, so I would like to dive right into a lot of the information. But before I do, I have a few things to show you. I have a couple slides on a presentation that I'd like to show some numbers and report on how the business is doing. But I have to say, before I get going with that, I'm really, really thrilled about where we're at right now and what's happening in the business and in the ecosystem and in our extended community, which is all of you guys and beyond. And so, you know, thank you to everyone that's put in the hard work, that's brought in, the best leaders from around the world. We're very grateful for all of the hard work that's happening, and we are working very hard to reciprocate that and to make sure that everyone has all of the tools that they need and more to be able to grow and to meet their dreams and their goals and their aspirations. So thank you to everyone. That's the number one message that I want to say is we're very grateful for the way that this business is growing. Now, I'd also like to dive into a couple really exciting things. As Ahmed said, we're just really, really thrilled to have so many people qualified for the event in Phuket in Thailand in less than a month time. So congratulations to everyone that is involved with that has put in the hard work, that has brought this across the line and gotten to where they are. We're very, very excited to meet everyone. I love these times because it's one of the most fulfilling times for me as a leader, because I get to share with the people that are actually the most important thing in the business, which are all of you guys. So we're just thrilled. We have a beautiful setting at the Marriott in Phuket. So I think we're going to have one of the best events yet. And I want everyone to understand that we're just getting going here. So our actual official launch, the very big event that, this is the one that's coming up, is not the big event, will be in January. And this will be the official launching of the entire ecosystem and of the project. So everyone that's in it today and has already done the hard work is part of the early foundation of what AURUM is building and what will be able to achieve in the long term. So I guess that's enough intro. Let me dive into some screen sharing and some things. But the first thing that I'd like to talk about, and I'll do the presentation and the slides and the sort of the numbers on how the business is going at the very end. But what I want to show first is something that's very amazing that our team has worked very hard to pull off, and we were very lucky to get invited to be a speaker at the Token 2049. So, for those of you that don't know Token 2049, I've been going to Token the last several years. It's been 3 years in a row, and it's by far the best trade show conference for the crypto world, for the digital asset space. And so it happens to be at the same time as the F1 in Singapore, so it's absolutely nuts over there. They close down all the streets because it's a street race. It's a night street race, and the energy is just amazing. There's hundreds and hundreds of side events. AURUM has been invited to not only be a speaker on the stage, but also we have a large booth. And I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen now. And if you guys don't mind letting me know if you can see it, I would appreciate that by typing something in the chat. That would be great. But I believe everyone can see it. So yeah, we'll dive right in here. As you can see, AURUM is one of the gold sponsors of the event here. We're next to names and amazing companies like BitDeer, which is one of the largest mining operators out there, 1inch, Circle, Fireblocks, Crypto.com. So you can see the top of the food chain in the digital asset space. All of those companies are here, and we're just really, really thrilled to be able to have not only a space but one of the premier booths and speaking lineup where you can see really amazing speaker lineup like F1 drivers Lando Norris, Paulo Ardino and Richard Tang, who are the CEO of USDT, Tether, and Binance, respectively. You got the Trump boys here representing Pops over at the big event. One of the founders of Ethereum and also the founder of Cardano. You can see here one of our partners, Aave Labs, which is the provider of our flash loan service, and the founder and CEO of that, Stani Kulichov, and a lot of other names here. I'm not going to go through them all, but ex-footballers, actors, amazing, lineup of people that are going to be speaking at this event. And humbly, I've been invited as well to be one of the speakers on stage. And you can see down here at the bottom, if you want to scroll, you can look at it. It's just token 2049 Singapore. And you can go ahead and find all the different speakers. And you can see yours truly here from the AURUM Foundation CEO. And I'm going to be giving a talk about how AI is helping people not only live better lives, but live a better financial future. And can AI make you richer? That's sort of the question I'm going to be asking and diving into on stage. And so we feel like we know the answer here at AURUM, but now it's our turn to prove that to the rest of the world. And so, yeah, we're just really excited to be on the stage, to be representing AURUM at the top industry tier in our very first year. It's a true landmark for us as a company. And I think it's going to be something that we're really going to get a lot out of, not only from the partnership standpoint, but all of you guys are invited to come and check it out and take content. And we're going to announce a promo like Ahmed alluded to earlier, so that those of you that want to come will be able to help you out. So I'll dive into that a little bit later on. But really exciting times with the token. Myself and Ahmed are going to be there. We're going to be meeting a lot of our partners, a lot of our leaders, but we're also going to be forging new partnerships with liquidity providers, with market makers, with things that we need for the exchange, for the neobank, and all of that good stuff. So really an exciting time in the AURUM ecosystem, and just thrilled to share this with everyone. Couldn't be more excited. I'm over the moon about this, and really happy. So that's the token stuff. We're going to announce what the promo is, but basically the promo is going to be 25K. And you will get a ticket, part of your ticket covered, 750 of your ticket to the event, and 3 nights in a 5-star hotel. So we'll have a screen on that. You'll be able to get more information about that on the Telegram channel after this call immediately, so that people can start to work towards it. And I would love to see all of you guys in Singapore as well. I know that Thailand is coming up in less than a month, but this is sort of a little teaser here we have for you. I think there's 10 days left to be able to get in on this and get over there and see us. So if that's something that's interesting to you and you'd like to be a part of it, it is the most insane conference that there is in crypto. The energy on this, it's 3 floors in the Marina Bay Sands. It's a huge event. There's a lot of really good speakers, and we're just excited to get in there and share this with you guys. So the next thing that I'd like to share with you guys, moving on from this, is a little bit about our neobank and about our exchange. So we've been working really hard. The exchange is almost ready. It's about to launch. The neobank as well. Um, we're waiting on a few things here. The AI integrations have been a little bit, more than we had expected, and it's taking us longer than we would have wanted. But we're working very hard to make the most secure, the most robust platform that we possibly can, so that people can trade on it. People can have the neobank as their primary bank, and then have integration into the back office and to the back end of everything else that AURUM stands for and has built. So, without further ado, I'd like to just show you a real quick sneak peek of the exchange. And this is something, again, that we are really excited to be to be putting out there. And
Sorry, Brian, I replace your share. So if you want to share, you can share again.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Because the team is sharing the slide for you. So if you want to share now the website, go ahead. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Can you see it? Well, okay. So as you can see here, this is the landing page for the exchange. Now, there's obviously going to be a mobile app version that's not going to look exactly like this. It's going to be fitted to the screen of your phone. But this is what the basic exchange is going to look like, and we're happy to show you the very first sort of views of it. So we're going to have spot and derivatives. So that's something that's really nice. the derivatives are going to be futures, and we're going to have leverage up to 150x. So that's a very powerful product, but also one that we need to have maximum responsibility with. So I urge everyone to learn how to use these products before they use them. And the derivatives especially is something that is really, like I said, really exciting, really powerful, but also is something that you need to learn how to use and be very careful the way that you use it. So this is the landing page. This is where you'll be able to see all of the markets, all of the different tokens and the pairs that we have available here, and you can take a look at what the prices are. And as you can see, the data is not filled in yet, but this is the sort of the holding um, landing page where you'll be able to see this. Second thing that I'd like to show you is what the exchange portion looks like. So again, I don't have the live trading here to show you guys today, but what I can show you is the framework for how it looks. You can see that we have a trading view style um, charts over here, so you can manipulate those in any way that you want with different time frames and different candle looks and feels and things of that nature. Then you'll also see obviously the order book over here, so you can take a look at how the order book looks, how the depth of the order book looks. You'll be able to see your trade histories here, and then over here as well, you'll be able to execute your trades and put your different types of orders between limit and market and buy and sell. And so, yeah, this is a really exciting place. This will also show where your orders are, which ones have been filled, what your deal history looks like, and all of that good stuff. So again, super excited to have this stuff going live. And then the other part that I wanted to show you is a couple of the different parts here. But one of the keys that we think is going to set us really apart is 50%, up to 50% of our exchange fees are going to be shared across our affiliate program. And so that's something that no other exchange does. Some of the exchanges do 10 to up to 20%, but we're the first that's going to do up to half of our fees. And we think that's going to set us apart, not only in our affiliate business, but attracting other users as well. Then next, you're going to be able to have an earn type of thing. So it's a type of staking where you'll be able to earn passive income by parking your assets there. And we're really focused on flexibility, so you don't have to lock them up for 70,000 years. You'll be able to have different types of exciting opportunities to be able to stake your products, but then unstake them should the need arise. And then the last thing that I wanted to point out here before we move on to the neobank is the launch pad. We are working on the launch pad so that other projects that would like to launch can be one of the first ones to launch with the AURUM exchange. And the benefit there being that our community will get primary and early access to these at preferential pricing. And then it'll also be a way for us to bring good projects into the ecosystem and make some money for the exchange and for the community as well. So these are some of the main functions that I wanted to talk to you about with the exchange. Again, it's not fully ready yet, so we can't launch it and I can't show you live trading on it yet, but you can see that the framework is being built and that it's looking really good up until now. So kudos to the team working really hard on this. We're putting a lot of effort into this. It's going to be one of the premier exchanges out there, be able to compete on the likes of OKX and Binance and BitGet and Bybit and some of the larger exchanges. So we feel like we're building a world-class product, and we have a world-class community waiting for the product. So it's a match made in heaven, and we're really excited about that. The next thing that I'd like to go without further ado, excuse me here, is the landing page that we've been working on for the neobank. So the neobank is really one of the most exciting pieces of the business because it really is able to tie together all of the other components of the ecosystem, like the exchange, like the earn products, like the AI bots, like the card product, like some of the other things. So everything is going to be in one place here, and it's a really exciting time for us. And so as you can see, you're going to be able to open it in Telegram, but there'll also be an app store for those that use iPhones, and there'll be a Google Play as well for those that are using Android phones. Um, Now, this is just a sneak peek. This is not exactly what it's going to look like, but if you take a look at it, it's really a smoother interface. It's a much more user-friendly look, user-friendly experience, so that the look and feel that you have of it is of a premier banking app. Yeah, the Telegram app has worked really well for us. It's gotten us to where we are, but we're ready to move beyond the Telegram app and give you guys a native app that has your cards in it, that has your information in it, that you can trust to use as a primary bank in your banking life. And so, pretty nice looking stuff here. Really proud of the design team that's coming up with this stuff, and we're excited to launch this. It shouldn't be long now. And we should probably be able to announce some pretty exciting things at Phuket when we're in Thailand to talk about this. But one of the things that I did want to touch on, it was really important to me when I joined the project, was the ability to have transfers um, outside of simple inbound USDT or inbound USDC to fund your account. And so we're happy to announce that we will be able to accommodate wire transfers, so SEPA and SWIFT transfers, both inbound and outbound, something that we're working on getting live in the very short term here. So the second thing we're really focused on is really blockchain security. We want to make sure that this thing is going to be secure. It's going to be stable. You hear about hacks all the time. Swiss Borg just got hacked a few days ago. Or weeks ago, and we want to make sure that that's something that we're doing everything in our power to ensure that our community, our ecosystem, is the most secure out there. And then we also want to give full access not only to crypto but to fiat, so that we can join these and unify all of your accounts into one ecosystem, into one place, so that you can have a home for your banking and your financial needs. Um, you can see I can go through the rest of this in depth, but there's really a strong market here for us. We have a very simple onboarding. We have no hidden restrictions. We have available in Apple and Google Pay already, and those um, capabilities are expanding. And then we have extremely high limits and low fees for the types of cards and products that we're putting out there. So we're really excited about this. You can see there's a couple different types of products here. The one that we have live right now is the Infinity card, and we're looking to launch the other ones as soon as possible. But there's going to be different tiers of cards and different types of ways that you can access the card ecosystem. So these are some of the different types of cards that are going to be available. And again, this is not a finalized landing page. This is just the brief sort of introduction, so that everyone can get a look at what it is we're building. But again, I don't want to spend too much time on this. I just wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek so that you could see that it's coming along really nicely, and that we have it almost finished, so that we can start to launch it, and people can start to use it on their phones and desktop. So again, thank you very much. That is all. I would like to now go into the presentation and give you guys a little bit of an update on how the month went, or how the month is going so far. And From there, we can start to talk a little bit more about the details of the promotion that we have going um, for Singapore, and then a little bit more about a few other things. So, as you can see, we're again driving really strong results on the EXAI bot. I'm really happy with this product. I feel like it's our best product. It's consistent. It's giving double-digit returns pretty consistently every month, and we're almost up to 40 million on our trading pool. So we feel like we're just getting going. The sky is the limit here, but it's been a really good start. First, year or so that we've been live with this. Now, the EXAI Probot is also one of my second favorites. The yield is quite a bit less, but the flexibility that you have, and the ability to have the full liquidity, I think is really an amazing product. So these two products side by side really complement each other really well, and that's why we created the Probot, so that people could come into the EXAI bot, park a few funds there, let the year work for them, but then have that ability to use the Pro one. And so it's really nice for a lot of people that have the need for that kind of product. It doesn't, like I said, give the same yield as the EAX bot, but that's for obvious reasons. And we're really happy with what we've been able to achieve on both of those products. Now, the other two products are ones that are very strong And I would say that Aurum Zeusbot is the next most powerful one that we have. This gives you the ability to earn on the different tokens that you may hold. So instead of selling them, you can park them and start to earn a yield on them. You can see that the Bitcoin and the BNB one have been the kind of the lowest ones. That's because those are the largest chip ones out there, but besides ETH, obviously, which is also under 3% so far this year. But that gives you a really secure way to be gaining a yield on your different types of tokens while you're still holding them. And so this is something that I also love. And we're adding, in the near future here, new tokens that you'll be able to use through the Zeus AI bot. But right now you can see Doge and Pepe have done really well in the first 15 days of the year. Excuse me, of the month. You can see a numbers above 5%. And so this is just a really great way for you to continue to hold your tokens, your cryptos, but expose them to a yield that's gonna be an upside for you. So really excited about the Zeus AI bot. And let's jump now to the exchange. I've already told you a little bit about what it's going to look like and giving you a sneak peek of how the website is coming along. But there's a couple key things that we're working on, and we're entering the final stages before the launch. And we feel like we're building something that's going to be able to set a new benchmark. So there already are exchanges out there, but there's not exchanges out there that are attached to an affiliate community like the one that we have and the one that we're building. And so we feel like it's going to give us a real strong edge to be able to compete with some of the biggest exchanges out there. And not only that, but it's going to offer a wide spectrum of different services like the ones that I've already talked about a little bit. So the core of the Aurum ecosystem, again, just to refresh, is the AI bots, the neobank, the cards, and the exchange. And so what we have today, you can see the AI bots are already functioning really well. We have a strong track record and a strong history with those. The neobank is launching and it's already live inside of Telegram, where you can already start to spend on the card, hold your different cryptos and different types of assets, and interact with the back end on your mobile phone in a very simple way. And we're making improvements to that with the Aurum neobank apps. And then the cards have been probably the best product that we've ever launched. It's really amazing that all the stories that I've heard and all the people we've had hiccups. I mean, it doesn't work perfectly every time. That's because we've integrated a new vendor, and we're really excited about the growth though that we see in these cards and the ability. We've ironed out a lot of the kinks, and if you're still having issues or problems, please get through with your upline and get with the support team to get those fixed as soon as possible, because things are working really well with the cards at this point. And so we're just excited to be able to combine the scale of the card with the other products that we have live, and we feel like it's going to help us to grow quite a bit. So um, quick slide on the exchange. Again, I already showed you a couple slides on that, but we're going to have spot trading, which is going to probably be the the primary sort of revenue generator there, because if someone wants to get into, let's say, the EX AI bot and only has Bitcoin, well, then they can easily trade it on there and fund their account in a few simple steps and a few simple clicks. As I mentioned, we also are going to have derivative products. So the margin products are exciting, and the futures products are really exciting because we have some of the highest leverage across the industry. But delivered in a very responsible way to you guys, so that people can make money by leveraging or by using the leverage capability of the derivatives product. So the futures is a really exciting product. We also are having a paper trading function, which is going to allow you to do copy trading and to test out different theories. And so you'll be able to do copy trading. So if you know of a trader who's doing really amazingly well, and you want to copy his trades on a percentage or on a fixed amount basis, then you'll be able to do that. We're also going to set up some automated functions. Obviously we're an AI company, and so we're building AI into the exchange as well. So recurring buys, so, the security is going to be a key part of that. And then last but not least is the mobile app. So you'll have an exchange app that again is also a mobile native app, and really excited to launch those. So we're working really hard on this stuff. These are complex products, and to integrate them with all of the AI stuff that we already have, with all of the back end that we already have, is a monumental effort, and our team is doing a great job in getting this stuff ready. And we have some really exciting announcements coming up in the following weeks and months. Where you guys are going to see these things live. You guys are going to be able to test these things out. You're going to be able to get compensated for helping us test out some of these different products. And yeah, it's really exciting stuff. So again, just not to beat a dead horse here, but we're the exchange is going to be something that is extremely unique, and it's going to look and feel like some of the other ones. But the fact that it's integrated with the back end, the fact that it's integrated with all the AI capabilities, you'll have your own AI agents that can do different things in there. It's going to be really exciting. So the whole ecosystem is going to be integrated. The partner economics is something where we're really excited to share a lot of the revenue. The model of most exchanges is share a little bit, drive growth through growth marketing. We're just the opposite. We want to share as much as we can so that that will then bring us growth, not only in users, but in volumes as well. So yeah, we've built this with a scalable architecture. Obviously, at the beginning, it's not going to be as big as Binance or OKX or any of those ones, but it's really going to be easy to scale this from a technology standpoint, so that we'll be able to provide institutional grade access to others via API access, and also obviously the focus is to provide a strong exchange product for those of you out there in the community, and your partners and your leaders. So uh, yeah, it's going to be really amazing. And then the last thing is the global access. So we're going to make it available to as much of the world as we can globally, in different languages with different localizations for different cultures and languages. And we feel like the from a experience standpoint, and then also from an education standpoint, these are two things that are going to really set us apart as well. So yeah, the exchange is something that is sort of my baby. I'm very excited about it. I'm very passionate about making sure that this comes out the right way. And you can see from the progress that we've made, some exciting signs. And so yeah, we're excited to get this launched. So as I mentioned, we do need help with the beta testing of the Aurum Neobank. So the iOS test flight, which is sort of the test product before you're able to put it inside of the App Store, and the Android APK, which is the same thing but for the Android platform, will be accessible in the coming weeks for early beta testers. So, what does that mean for you? That means you're going to get a first look at the app, and you're going to get a first look at the full mobile experience. You're going to have the wallets, you're going to have the cards, you're going to have the dashboard all in one app. So now you're not going to have to go to the back end and go to the Telegram app and sort of bounce back and forth. You're going to have it all in the palm of your hand or in the desktop viewer. And then, the key here is we need your help in reporting bugs and making sure that it works the right way, and that the user experience is as strong as we can make it from the very beginning. And so early testers are going to be rewarded for this activity. And the feedback during the beta testing phase is going to be something that's crucial to the success of the app. And so the sign up form will be published on our official channels soon. I don't know if today, but very soon, so that those of you that want to sign up to be part of the early testers, part of the beta testing team, if you will, can have that opportunity, and we can build this thing together. I think one of the important things, and one of the stories I always took, is an investor one time was about to invest in an exchange, and the exchange owner said, "Oh, let me show you my numbers. Let me show you how much volume we've done. Let me show you all the trades that we've done." And the investor said, "No, I don't want that. What I want is the login access to your support account, so that I can go in there and read the support tickets uh, in live time and see what's really happening with it." Right. And so I think, we're sort of taking a piece out of that playbook, and we're saying, "Hey guys, we realize that this is a product that's being developed, and so we're asking for your guys' help to to make this the best product that we can. And the best way that we do that is by testing it, and we enlist you guys as the community to help us with that." So again, look out in the socials for that, and we'll be announcing that shortly. um, here's the part that's really exciting to me, because this is coming in the next short period of time here. I think the the show starts on the first. The setup starts on the Monday before, so I think like I don't know, the 29th or 30th or something of September. But really exciting time. We've been invited, and I'm deeply honored to be able to represent Orem and be on the stage talking about the things that are important to us, to our community, and I think to a lot of people out there, right? Everyone has heard of AI now. Everyone knows about AI, but AI is not changing as many lives as it could yet, right? And the reality is that people go in there and say, hey, what's the best restaurant in Brussels? And chat gpt will give them a different type of output that Google will give them. But what we really want to do is take that to the next level, where that same AI power, that same AI technology, that same uh, uh, movement that's really changing the world also changes our lives, and also changes the way that we live our financial lives, right? And so I think, the question that I have deep in my mind is, can AI make us richer? Can AI make us live better financial lives? And we're going to touch on that in a deep way, and go into quite a deep sort of discussion, or speech about that on the stage. But really, what that's going to set the stage for is looking beyond Token 2049 to Phuket, to the leadership event, and beyond that into our official mega launch event, which will be in January. So. All this to say that the most amazing speakers in the crypto world are going to be there. I'm really honored and humbled and blessed to be uh, among the names like Justin Sun from Tron, Paolo Ardino from Tether, BC Wong, the founder of KuCoin, Richard Tang, who was an ex colleague of mine, and now is the CEO of Binance. Really going to be an amazing time. This recognition is something that's really important for us as a community. A lot of people look at what affiliate programs do, or what network marketing does, and you know the technology that is built oftentimes is not strong, or does not stand the test of time. What we're building here at Orem will stand the test of time, is standing the test of time, and is going to be uh, a monument to how AI and finance work together. And so I think this fact that we're being invited to Token, this fact that we're going to be on the stage, that we're going to have a very large booth where we're going to be able to interact with a lot of people, not only Orem people that may come or be there, or phone in, or do content from there, but I would say everyone that's walking by has an opportunity to take a look at what Orem is, take a look at what Orem's doing, ask us questions about what it is, and really dive into why we're different than a lot of the others. We're the first to do what we're doing. We're going to be the best, and we're really excited about it. So, uh, announcing now officially, and you'll find this again in the official channels right after this call, or very shortly after. The promo event starts. Already started, and it goes until the 26th. So a 10-day event. It's a quick promo thing, and for those of you that are really interested in joining us in Token, seeing what these trade shows are like, seeing what these mega conferences are like, feeling the energy not only from the Orem booth and from me and from Ahmed, who's going to be there, but from the entire industry, from the entire crypto community. I think it's going to be an amazing, amazing time. So the requirements, like I said, is 25K in your first line direct sales. And what you'll receive is you'll get into the show to come see us, to help us at the booth, or to take pictures, or to wander around and talk to people. You'll get 750 in compensation for the flights, and you'll get 3 nights at the hotel. So this is an exclusive plan. You're going to have a dinner with us, with the team, with myself and Ahmed, and there's going to be private meeting rooms and different sorts of side events that we're going to be going to. And so we would just love to have as many of you there as possible. I know it's a really short notice, and I know we have travel coming up in another 3.5 weeks after that. But this is a chance to get over into the Southeast Asia part of the world. Uh, Join us over there, and then it's a real quick hop over to Thailand. So some people may come and spend some time over there before going back to Europe or to the Americas, where it's really far. The tens and 20 to 30 hours, and I think the flight from Germany or from Central Europe is even 8 or 9 hours. So it is quite a ways to come, but we would just love to have as many of you there, not only to celebrate with us the fact that we're sort of coming into the mainstream of digital asset space of the blockchain world, but really to help us grow the community, to help us outreach, to help us meet new partners, all kinds of exciting things. So please get with your upline. Please check out the promo in the different channels, and I'd love to see as many of you over there as possible. We're gonna have a good time. There's also an F1 race that starts the day after, so the qualifying starts. So if you're into F1 racing, it may be a good 2 for 1 to come over there and check that out. And so yeah, excited to announce this. It's something we've been working on for a few weeks now, and we finally are able to do it. So yeah, kudos to the team. Great work to Ahmed and everyone on the marketing side that has been able to pull all of this amazing news together. So okay, the last thing that I want to touch on before we break for the day, and I know this has been a lot. I hope if I'm speaking too fast or if you didn't get all of this, you can watch the recording of this call afterwards. Share it with your teams, share it with your leaders, and it would be great to get this out to as many people as possible. But yeah, the AI agents we've already talked about and announced are launching very very soon, and what I'd like to talk about is some of the different functions and ways that you'll be able to use them. And then we can get into the closing of this call and really get back to work on the things that are going to get us either to Singapore if we're interested in that, or hope to see as many of you that have qualified in Thailand as possible. So the AI agent ecosystem, what does this mean? This means that you're going to be able to use the Aurum ecosystem not only for the things that we are already doing, the cards, the investments, the AI bots, but you're going to be able to build your business with it. And this is something that's really exciting. We're seeing this across a lot of different major companies like Salesforce, like Amazon, like Microsoft. These guys are investing really heavily in these types of things that we already have developed and are ready to go live. So the first one is an Instagram agent. Instagram is a great way to outreach and to build funnels of users. And so we're going to have an agent that's going to take a lot of that work off your shoulders, automate a lot of that stuff, and really give you guys a powerful way to build businesses with less effort and more results. The second thing that I'd like to just touch on briefly is the messenger agent. So you're going to be able to have lead qualification and again also funnel type of stuff inside of WhatsApp. And WhatsApp is a really strong platform. There's billions of users on it every day. You're able to do some really cool things on there. And so the AI agent is really going to leverage the technology that WhatsApp has and the user base to be able to give us lead qualifications and other very valuable outcomes. The next thing is the support agent. So this is going to be helping people to onboard via Telegram. So you're going to uh, be able to use Telegram to seamlessly onboard people without you having to be there every step of the way. So that's something that's going to really help our flow once we get people interested to get them into the business. And then the last thing is the sort of the CRME and the calendar type stuff to help you keep organized, to help you keep the workflow right, and that's going to be a full business type of suite. So again, these are not separate tools. This is one tool that has different functions and you're able to use it across the ecosystem. So the Aurum brand is going to be one of the strongest brands in not only the workflow part of the business, but also in the AI agent part of the business, the card part of the business, the neobank part of the business, and the exchange part of the business. So I think we're off to a really good start. I don't know if you guys can tell by my energy today and my excitement, but I'm over the moon about this. I mean, I did not expect us to be doing this well this quick in the business, and I think it's a testament to not only the people that have built the strong products and continue to build even better products and services, but I think it's a testament to the people that are on this call and the people that know the people on this call, right? Because at the end of the day, we're only as good as our networks in this business. We're only as good as the community. And that goes for Aurum, and as well as it goes for each one of you guys, the leaders out there. So I would really, back to my opening statements, I'd like to, first of all, just thank everyone for all the hard work. It's really been an amazing run over the last couple months. And I just can't wait to share with as many of you as possible in not only in Singapore, but also in Thailand in the coming month, where we're going to be able to really drive the next phase of the growth, get to our major launch event in January, and blow this thing out of the water to where we have hundreds of thousands and millions of users driving, a fintech unicorn business. And so we are not just another player out there. We're not just another affiliate product that uses AI technology. We are the leaders in this in the very first year of existence, and we haven't even really officially launched. And so we are literally the first and the best at what we're doing. And I think it's just a great testament to the team that we've built and to the leaders out there. So that's all I have for you guys today. I want to close the call, thank everyone for their hard work, and motivate you guys to come see me and Ahmed, be at in Thailand, in Singapore, or in Dubai as soon as possible. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
that's all we
Thank
have for you
you.
today.
Thank you, Brian. I'm gonna take it from here. For some people who's asking about live trading, it's gonna be soon, hopefully in the website. Any questions related to the exchange, it all will be revealed on Phuket in Thailand as long as the testing started. So guys, for the live trading section in the back office, which will allow you to see all the statistics of the EXAI, this is all gonna be happen soon. We are working on it. You need to understand to bring and reflect such info into an interface is not something simple. We need to make sure it is always reflected properly, synchronized, and giving as much as possible live trading data for you and for you people. In regard of the one more things, in regard of the card, we really again appreciate your patience. Okay, keep using the card. Give us your feedback. Always get back to support if you face any issues, because we keep improving day by day till this card become the best card ever in the world. Okay, recording, yes, will be shared soon. It will be available in YouTube. Please follow all our social media channel. For those who's gonna make it to Singapore, can't wait to see you. We're gonna have some fun, interesting time, and most important, for those who qualified to Thailand, can't wait to see you. Love you so much, guys. I wish you a very great weekend, and I think see you at work. Okay, there is a lot of work for you if you want to come to Singapore, because in my opinion, this is an opportunity to network, to communicate, to prospect, to have the best relation within people into the industry, which will elevate your profile, your people, and your connection to grow and to prosper your business more and more. Thank you. Too much love. Thank you very much, guys. Love you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.